Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and I am so excited because this is what we are. No, 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 no. Oh, wait for that truck. Hold on. Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm sharing with you what we are giving away for our August 2020 giveaway on the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. I am so happy to be able to do these giveaways every single month. I'm part of the Craft O'Clock creative team, and they're so generous in sending products that they definitely send enough that I can give away something every month. So I'm ecstatic. This month I'm giving away a full set of the Celebrate Today collection. I don't like the way this sounds. Let's do this one more time. Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and I'm sharing with you today the August 2020 giveaway on the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. I'm part of the Craft O'Clock creative team, and they're so generous when they send their products that they always send enough for me to give away a full collection to my audience, and I'm so happy to be able to do that. It's so wonderful. I really love that you guys can experience these products the same way that I can. Let me show you what is in the collection. This is the Celebrate Today paper collection, and we'll be giving away a full paper collection, which includes the 6x6 set. Let me get that out of the way. A set of die cuts, a 12x12 set, and some goodies that are underneath, so you'll just have to wait until we get all the way through to see what they are, okay? So, this is the 6x6 paper collection, and let me zoom in just a little bit here so you can see a little bit better. So, you've got, look at this. Just look at it. Again, this is the 6x6. And you get, now hold on a second, you get 26 double-sided sheets. Really? Yeah, wow. Okay, great. Look at this. Just look at it. This is so perfect for weddings, anniversaries, communion celebrations, baptism, baby dedications. Look at that. So nice for card making, scrapbooking. I love this. It's so pretty and soft. This would also be really good if you're making sort of like I don't want to say generic cards, but like cards for lots of different types of occasions, and just like making a bunch of cards. Look at it, even comes with these little like scallop edge shapes. Oh, I forgot that it had a wood pattern on the back. So you could do the scallop side. That's great for card makers. And you get 2 of those in there. Then you get this nice little pattern. You have to excuse me, I have my windows open today. It's a beautiful day. And look at that. Look at that pattern. So we're getting a lot of outside traffic. Lots of tractors and such. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And you get wreaths. Isn't this lovely? Oh, look at it. The little banners, little embellishments. You'll have to fussy cut these elements out. But again, you've also got another side on the back. Look at that. This right here is a cut apart. You can cut that apart. That's a card maker's dream right there. Just gorgeous. Now, here we get into the quotes, and so you have great day, today is a good day, big memories, be grateful, very special day, that's wonderful, and etc. Again, you're going to have these in Polish on the back with a different pattern, but it is a Polish company, so generally when they send quotes, they do English on one side and Polish on the other. Are these different? Yeah, they are. These ones are different. This is still like a cut apart panel on the front. Is that cut apart panel the same? No, it's different too. And the quote, celebrate every tiny victory, celebrate the little things, may all your wishes come true. That's wonderful. We age not by years, but by stories. Isn't that lovely? 2 of those. This is just the 6x6 pack, mind you. Okay, and then the Polish quotes, but on the other side, a whole 2 full sheets then of quotes. So, love is the greatest gift of all. Thank you. Be the inspiration you want to see in the world. Don't we need that right now? You're never too old to wish upon a star. So nice. So nice. Okay, so that is the 6x6 pack. That's a nice big pack. I act like I've never seen it before, and I have seen it before. This I'm not going to take out of the pack. Let me zoom back out for you. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic because I'm afraid that these will kind of get all crazy. But do you see that they are pre-cut? Excuse the glare, but do you see that they're pre-cut, die-cut shapes? Okay. And then let me give you a close-up view of these. Really, really nice. Good for embellishing. You can add a little foam dot or something under there to give it some dimension. Super, super nice. Okay, I'll leave that right there like that. And you also get the 12x12 pack in the giveaway. I know, can you believe it? Let's see how the 12x12 is a little bit different from the 6x6, shall we? Yeah, let's see here. Okay. So we have, this is 6 double-sided papers. Let's see what's on the back here of this one. Beautiful. Oh. Look how they do on the back of their packaging. So you could even use part of this right here. Sometimes I use this as a really nice tag. And this is a really nice just pattern in and of itself, like the collection of the papers. But you also have flowers that you can fussy cut out on the back to use as accents. Let me scoot this like this so you can see good. Celebrate today. They give you a little color palette on the bottom. Lots of beautiful, just beautiful. You know what else this would be good for? Like in memory type, like projects, albums, frames. If you're doing like an in memory, like that kind of a project. Do you know what I mean? Sympathy cards. It'd just be beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so pretty. There's your. Get the 6 full sheets here. Oh, scrapbookers, do you not see that that is the base page for your next layout? Honest to goodness. Although, you know what? You got a couple layouts here you could do. And here are your journaling cards you can cut, journaling cards. You could journal on these too. Some people aren't sure what to do with it because it's a square. It's still a journaling card. Here, there's another for card makers or another journaling card. Here's a photo mat even, if you didn't want to. Use it as a journaling card. What's on the back? And solid color ones. Great for photo mats or for card making. Excellent. Okay, so that's the 12x12. So again, you're going to get the 12x12 collection. You're going to get the die cut pack. You're going to get the 6x6 pack. And, are you ready for this? You are going to get a sheet of the baptism, the Holy Baptism Angels extras to cut. I know it. I know it. I know it. This, just look at the angels. The angels, though. Look at the little baby shoes. Now, maybe infant baptism isn't something that you associate with, and I know everybody kind of has different preferences and things like that, and but let me just say this: baby shoes, baby hat, you've got candles. Again, maybe this is something like you're going to do like a in memory type project, but there's the birds. What are they, doves? But the angels, though, I mean, hearts, stars, baby hats, like I said, the little onesies. You can find lots of different amazing uses for this paper. It is single-sided because they're meant to be fussy cut out. And I have one more thing that I'm giving away with this. And it is an entire pack of the Holy Baptism quotes. Let me take them out and show you what's in the quotes. I know, I'm so excited about it. I am so excited about it. I think I get so excited about the giveaways. It's just exciting for me. Okay, so that's that. And let's see. Again, one side in Polish and the other side in English. And I will lay them all out. Little child, joy, waiting, love, hope, faith, I am, happiness, white robe, child of God, holy baptism, wonder of our love, happy together, important date, you are our treasure, and reminder of the holy baptism. Now, you know, some churches I know do like, maybe they don't do infant baptism, but they do like a baby dedication. And I know that that's what we did with our boys, was a baby dedication. Just like a baby dedication. I'm not going to go into a whole thing on the video, but certainly some of these things may be appropriate for other things, just kind of depending on how you worship, I guess. So this is the giveaway. I am overjoyed. I am overjoyed, and here is how you enter. Are you ready? Okay, so you need to do 3 things to enter the giveaway. Make sure that you are subscribed to the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. That is the first thing. Probably most of you, if you're already here, you've probably already hit that subscribe button. But if not, go ahead and do that. And don't forget to click on that bell. Once you hit the subscribe button, it'll probably pop up if you don't see it initially. And click on that little bell to receive the notifications. That's the first thing. The second thing is, in the comments below this video, I would like for you to tell me what you will create with this paper if you win the giveaway. So in the comments below this video, let me know what you will create with this paper if you win the giveaway. That's the second thing. And the third thing is to follow the Sandpaper Road blog. Not sure if you've ever gone over and checked out the blog, but there is a link in the description box, or you can just Google Sandpaper Road blog, or sandpaperroad.com, and then you could click on blog. There's 1,000 ways to get to it. But once you get there, you'll see in the bottom of the screen, it's a little like plus follow. You'll see it on the bottom of your screen. Even if you're on your phone, you'll see it. It says like plus follow. And just click on that, and then you'll be sure. Really all that happens is that then you'll be notified every time something gets posted. But that's how I'll determine, or pick a random winner for the giveaway. So those are the 3 things. Now, here's the really good news, is that for this giveaway for August 2020, there are going to be 2 winners. 2 winners. I am so excited to be able to do that. Now, you do have to complete all 3 steps listed to be eligible, and the giveaway is going to end Thursday, August 13th. 2020 at 11:59 p.m. in that's Eastern time in the USA. Also on that note, I just want to say that I love all my international subscribers. And I love everybody. I really, really do. And I'm so thankful because it's all of you guys that make all this possible. I'm just not able to open up the giveaway internationally just yet. So I did promise my viewers that when the channel hits 5,000 subscribers, then I will open up all these giveaways internationally. But for right now, this is USA only. So the quicker the better, I guess. We're almost at 4,000 at the time of the this recording. So definitely make sure you share this video with your crafty friends, and you know, the more subscribers, the better. For all of us, it helps me to be able to give you more giveaways and tutorials and things like that. But the sooner we can get to 5,000, then the sooner we can open this up internationally. It's more of a cost-effective thing. I'm just not able to do it just yet. But coming soon, coming soon. I have faith. I have faith. So the 2 winners are going to be randomly chosen and revealed on Friday, August 14th at noon. And I'm going to reveal this on a YouTube post and a Sandpaper Road blog post. Okay. Then the 2 winners have to email Sandpaper Road, and I do provide an email address for you, and give me your shipping address within 72 hours so that I can get this out to you the same day. Okay, so good luck. This is the Celebrate Today paper collection by Craft O'Clock. Thanks so much to Craft O'Clock for providing the products for the giveaway. Definitely make sure you leave your comment below the video. Subscribe to the channel and follow the Sandpaper Road blog to enter to win all the products you see here. So thanks so much. Don't forget to stay tuned. Giveaway ends Thursday, August 13th at 11:59 p.m. That's Eastern Time in the USA. Giveaway open to USA only. And good luck, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.